Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail that how to draw the doors in a building using the uh, AutoCAD. So this is a very important video and you will learn that how to draw the doors in a building using AutoCAD. So let's start. So let's suppose this is a door, this one. So you will learn the complete series that how to draw this three-story building using the AutoCAD from scratch to final rendering. So keep watching the videos I will upload in sequence. So in this video we will discuss that how to draw the doors. So let's suppose this is the main door entrance to this. This is the dining room. So let's suppose this is the main door. So here we have to draw the door. So we will be in the doors layers. So we will draw the line of 2 feet. This is total width of the door is 4 feet. So we will be using the two pieces of doors. So we will draw 2 feet in on this side, and then we'll draw the same 2 feet from this side. So now we will divide this into 2 feet. So we will draw the line, then we'll enter 2 feet lines and then 2 feet line. So now we will from the arc we can select any arc. So now what we, depending on your available data, so we have 3 points. One is the start, center and end. So we will click on the start, center and end type of the arc. So now this is the start point, this is the center and this is the end. So we will simply mirror this one side doors about this vertical axis and then enter. So now you can see this door has been dropped here in this AutoCAD. So this is how you can draw a door in AutoCAD. So let me draw another door here. So the width of this door is equal to from, so I will draw the line from here to here, and then so the length of this door is also 4 feet. So we can simply copy this door. So we will rotate it with so first we will copy and so we will click here, and now we can rotate it the same door. So we will select. After the selection we will click on the rotate, and now in the rotate we have to specify the base point from where this door will rotate. So this is the base point, and how much we have to rotate it. So we have to rotate it with 90 degrees and click OK. So now you can see the door for this room has been also provided. So now we want to draw another door here to this washroom attached with this room. So the size of this door means the width in to the drafting. So the width is of this door is equal to this much, 2 feet. So now we will use the simple method base as we have discussed earlier. So we will draw a line L and we'll draw a 2 feet line in this vertical direction. So to cross check how much is the width on this door, so we will click OK and then we will check how much is the length. So width is 2 feet. So we will then select this line and we'll select the arc of 3 point center, start, center and end. So this is the start point, this is the center, and this is the end. So now you can see the door has been created and drafted for this washroom. So now in the same way we will provide the doors for this washroom. It is a washroom for the general use in this building, in this story. So we can simply copy the above door. So we will select and then we'll click on the copy and we'll pick the base point and then we will paste here. So now we have to rotate this door with 90 degree. So you will select and then click on the rotate and then we'll click on the base point from where it will rotate. Now you can see the doors which is opening in this direction. This is the face side, and this is the back side of the door and opening toward inside of the washroom. And this is the main door of the building. So now you can see we have provided the different doors in these buildings for the different washroom. This is the kitchen, this is the washroom attached with this room, and this is the another bed. This is the one bedroom, this is another bedroom. So these are the attached washrooms, and this is the open area for laundry. It is the back side of these two rooms, and these are the doors which is opening inside toward the room. So now if you have any questions how to draw the doors in AutoCAD, so this is the simple way you can draw the doors by your own manually, by your own desire. Also there is doors available in the express tools. So from there you can simply copy and then paste here. Multiple designs doors are present, and you can also load from the AutoCAD site. So now if you have any question you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video, and we will proceed the drafting of this multi-story buildings in the coming videos. So till that, thank you for watching this video.